Just kind of go high level real quick. It sounds like you're talking about bundling products. So just to go from the top down, let's say I've got a product that is, this is my final product here. It's called my bundle dog food 3-pack, and it's composed or comprised of dog food and dog food can. And these are two different products that I have to order from two different suppliers, right? So inside this product, my bundled product, what I need to do is every time I order one of these 3-packs on SoStocked, what I'm actually ordering is 3 of these and 3 of these, and they're going to be produced and sent to a warehouse or a prep center where they are combined and bundled together to make the final product of this 3-pack of dog food. So I've got my 2 raw ingredients here. Whoops, sorry, let me go back on this one. My 2 raw ingredients here. The first one is the can, and the second raw ingredient is just this pile of food. This is obviously a fake product. I'm using it as an example. And each of them has their own supplier. Whoops, here we go. Each of them has their own supplier right here and their own lead time. And the 2 of those meet up and are bundled together. So I've got this already in inventory and this already in inventory, and I want to combine them to make this, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to start from the inventory page, and I'm going to start by creating a work order for this product. So I'm going to go new WO, which is work order, and we're going to say, how many products do you want to create? Now, in this case, if I had this already bundled at a warehouse, it would show up here, right? Like you got 100 units of the final bundled 3-pack, meaning 300 of the cans and 300 of the food already combined and bundled into 100 units of this. In this case, I have none. So let's see what happens when I create a work order. Now you have some options. This part is a little bit manual because there's not really a good way to automate this. So I can't ship to a new location because I don't have any. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine. So I'm going to create a work order starting with the finished product, and I'm going to combine. And then I'm going to start again with the finished product. So I'll put dog 3-pack. This is the finished product, the final product. The system knows automatically that I need to take 3 and 3 for every 1 unit of this. So if I want to make 1,000 units, it's going to take 3,000 of these, 3,000 of these. It's going to combine them and then ship it to a new location, i.e. Amazon. So we've got the 3-pack. Let's actually get rid of this shipment because this was there before. Let's do this way. Okay, so ship to a new location. So we're going to combine this. Here we go. Now the final finished product of 1,000 is going to be shipped to Amazon. It takes 10 days or whatever it is. So I'll just go ahead and create this work order. Choose my marketplace. What the system is going to do is it's going to remove 3,000 units of each of these 2 products from warehouse inventory and combine them into 1,000 units of this final 3-pack. And you can see that here. Use the products below, and then I'm just going to ship 1,000 of these to Amazon. And then I'll go ahead and submit that order. And if I want to, of course, I can send an email, which I'm not going to in this case, and we're good to go. So I hope that all makes sense. There's more to bundling than that, but I want to start pretty simple. If you have any more questions, let me know. Cheers.